Yes. Now today our topic is geometry topic that is very important, and that is triangle. So first of all, whenever we are talking about triangles, that you have already discussed in the previous classes, okay, what do you mean by angles? So this is tri plus angle. So tricycle, as you have listened, that means three tire cycle. So same way here are three angles. So we are talking about the three angles like A, B and C. So we name it angle A, angle B and angle C. So that means which type of figure this will be? It will be a three-sided figure. So we will give the names. Triangle's name is ABC. So it is three-sided polygon. So how many sides are there? There are three sides. So three sides are AB, BC and AC. And we are having three angles. So one is angle A, other is angle B, and the next one is angle C. So in this we are having three angle and three triangles. Sorry, three sides and three angles. And we are having also three corners, and we call these three corners as vertices. So we are having three things. One is sides and angle and the vertices. Now, how many sides are there? There are three sides. Name the three sides: AB, BC and AC. So, how many angles are there? There are three angles. One is angle A, other one is angle B and the third one is angle C. So, how many vertices are there? Three vertices. They are angle A, angle B and angle C. So, these three angles, when we add, we get a plus that is equal to 180 degree. So this is the triangle. So triangle, only one triangle is there? No. This is the type of triangles we are having. So what are the types of triangles we are having? We are having three types of triangles. Now we will label the angles, like we will take this. So here again we are having three sides, side AC, side BC and side ABC. AB, BC and AC. We give the names side A, B and C. Same way angles, we can write the angles A, angle B and angle C. But we also name it like CAB. We call it as the Prime Minister is there in between and his bodyguards are C and B are the bodyguards of A. C and B are the bodyguards of angle A. Now, who is the Prime Minister? Now, B. Now, B, whose bodyguards are the C and A. C and A are the bodyguards of angle B. And the third one angle which we are having, third angle is C. Who are its bodyguards? We call it A and B. So, we can write the angle A, angle B or angle C. These all are the same thing. This one CAB and angle A is the same thing. You can write it in both the ways. So we are having triangles on the basis of sides, and we are also having triangles on the basis of angles. Now first is a type of triangles. Now, so I am having a triangle. So either the three sides are equal, or the two sides are equal, or no side is equal. So whenever we are having all sides are equal, when all sides are equal, we call it what? We call it equilateral triangle. So a triangle in which three sides with equal length is called an equilateral triangle. So whenever we are having two sides equal, so like I am having PQR angle, here two sides are equal. So when any two sides of a triangle are equal, so it is called an isosceles triangle. And when no side is equal, so when no side is equal, what we call it? We call it the scalene triangle. That means all the sides are different. Like for example, this is 6, 6 and 6. So that means all sides are equal. So what we call it? We call it, yes, we call it equilateral triangles. Now whenever this is 6, this is 6 and this one is 5. So what is this? Here only two sides are equal. One is different. So we call it what? Yes, we call it an isosceles triangle. But whenever we are having this one is 4, this one is 5 and this one is 6, it means all the sides are different. So we call it an scalene triangle. Okay. Now the next one is there are the triangles. So next one I am going to tell you. Now you let me know. So I am having this type of. Now you have to do the matching of this. Now in the first, how many sides are equal? Yes, here two sides are equal. So it is called which? So this is, yes, isosceles triangle. So here this is different and this one, now see, this is three sides are equal. So this is three sides are equal. So it is an equilateral triangles. Now we are having next type is the triangles on the basis of angles. As you know, we are having acute angle, we are having right angle, and we are also having obtuse angle. So can you tell me what do you mean by acute angle? Yes, acute angles means when an angle is between 0 to 90 or angle which is less than 90, that is called the acute angle. And what about the right angle? So right angles means when an angle is of 90 degree, that is called a right angle. And third one is obtuse, that is between 90 to 180, that is called an obtuse angle. So but whenever we are talking about the acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle, that is different. Now see, if acute angle triangle is there, this one acute angle triangle is there, that means you are having three angles but all are less than 90 degree. It is not meaning that this is 60, 60 and 60. No, no. But they are less than 90 degree. Okay. So a triangle in which all its internal angles are less than 90 degree, that is called acute angle triangles. Mean angle P, angle Q and angle R, three angles, they all are less than 90 degree. So whenever we are talking about a right angle triangle, that means right angle means one angle must be 90 degree. So one angle is 90 degree and other two, what about the others two? And other two are less than 90 degree. Mean A and C are less than 90 degree. So a triangle with one of the interior angles measuring 90 degree, ठीक है, a triangle with one of the interior, I mean only one like P, this is 90 degree and the other two, they are acute. They are acute means they are less than 90 degree. So next one is obtuse triangle. So obtuse angle triangle, this third one. So here obtuse mean simply the name suggests that the one angle is more than 90 degree. So how many angles are left? We left with two angles. So two angles must be acute. Acute means they are less than 90 degree. So first we have talked acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. So acute angle triangles means the three angles are less than 90 degree. And whenever we are talking about right angle triangle, so right angle triangles mean one angle is 90 degree and other two are less than 90 degree, mean they are acute angles. And the third one is obtuse angle triangle, this one, that means so you have just see the angles, they suggest you okay, which type of triangle it is. So obtuse angle triangles means the one of the angle is more than 90 degree and other two are acute angles. So the next one, this one now. Now you have to tell me what are the types of the triangles. So now this one, two sides are equals. Yes, this is isosceles triangle. Why? Because two sides are equal. Next one is, this is acute, and acute. So that means all three angles are less than 90 degree. So it is, yes, this is acute angle triangles. So here, this is again a triangle and 190-degree angle is there. Yes, it is a right angle triangles. So next one, see this one. This one is obtuse. So this is equal at, see, which type of angle is this? This is obtuse angle triangle. So it is obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle is this. So it is obtuse angle triangle. Now, again you let me know. So what type of triangle it is? Acute, right or obtuse? Yes, it is 90 degree. So it is the right angle triangle. So which type of triangle it is? All are less than 90 degree. Yes. So it is acute angle triangle. So this one. So this is again, this one angle is 90-degree mark is here. So it is right angle triangle. So all three angles are there. Okay. So if the three angles are there, then all are less than 90 degree. Yes, it is acute angle triangles. So now this one, these all, this is acute, and this is acute. Yes, this is also acute angle triangle. Yes, now see this. This one is obtuse. It is going acute and acute. Yes, which type of triangle it is? Yes, it is obtuse angle triangle. Now, next the worksheet is this. Match the name of the triangle with the triangle. So it is which type of triangle? Yes, it is 90 degree. So it is a right angle triangles. This one, yes, this is 125. 125 is which type of triangle? It is obtuse angle triangle. Okay, so it is obtuse angle triangle. So this one, this is what? 60 degree, 54 and 60. So all these are less than 90 degree. That both 1, 2 and 3. Three angles are acute angles. So it is also acute angle triangles. Very good. Now the next one is 8, 8 and 8. All the three sides are equal. So we call it equilateral triangle. So this is 6, 6 and 5. Again two sides are equal. So it is isosceles triangle. And this one is, all the three sides are different. This is 5, 8 and 6. So this is scale length triangle. Now next is identify the type of triangle based on the following information. A triangle with all sides and angles are congruent. Congruent means equal. So it is called equilateral triangle. Now a triangle with no side congruent, no side equal, that is scale length triangle. Next is a triangle with one angle 91. One angle 91 means obtuse. So it is obtuse angle triangle. So next one is a triangle with angle 103, 20 and 57. So one is 103 and 103 is which type of? That is obtuse. So it is obtuse angle triangle. Last one is 11, 15 and 11. So mean two sides are equal. So this is isosceles triangle. Is it clear? So now, so next one is the same way, triangle based on the length. Now it is 12, 12 and 12. That means these all the sides are equal. Yes, it is equilateral triangles. Now 3, 4 and 5. That means all are different. Yes, it is scale length triangle. Good. Next is 1, 2 and 2. Two sides are equal. That is isosceles triangle. 23, 23 and 23. Which type of triangle it is? It is equilateral. Why? It is equilateral because all the sides are equal. So it is 17, 18 and 17. So that means which type of triangle it is? It is isosceles because all the three sides are equal. So next one is 6 feet, 6 and 7 feet, right? So two sides are equal. So it is isosceles triangle. So one is 1 meter, 2 meter and 2 meter. So it is isosceles triangle. 14, 16 and 14. Now, which type of triangle it is? It is isosceles. Yes. Why it is isosceles? Because two sides are equal. Same way we will do the next sums. So the next one is we are having angle sum property. So angle sum property is what? Whenever we are having, now we are having three angles. So three angles means when we add the three angles, A plus B plus C, that is equal to 180 degree. This is our property. Like I am having angle A is 40 degree, angle B is 50 degree, and we have to find out angle C. Right? So here A plus B plus C 180 degree. If I will take PQR, here also P plus Q plus R 180 degree. And if we will take DEF, so here same angle D plus angle E plus F is equal to 180 degree. Same way, this is the angle sum property. We call it A plus B plus C, P plus Q plus R, angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z 180 degree, angle D plus angle E plus F 180 degree. These all are called what? Angle sum property of a triangle. That states that triangle is always add up to 180 degree. When we add, it will become 180 degree. For example, I am having a sum like this. So here a triangle ABC, angle A 67, angle B 43. Find out angle C. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. Okay. So this is angle sum property. Whose values are given? Angle A is given 67. Now angle B is given 43 and we have to find out angle C. So we will add these two angles. It is 110 plus C is 180 degree. So angle C is 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. So we will find out angle C is 70 degree. Is it clear? Okay. So we can do so many sums like this.